Do you have a rocket like this one here where the paint finish is less than optimal and you want to restore it to something that's showroom new again? That's what I'm going to cover in this video.
Welcome to Advanced Construction Videos, where we show you how to tackle rocketry building techniques and more. On our website, we sell kits, motors, building supplies, and electronics. So come and learn, shop, build, and fly when you visit us at apogeerockets.com.
The first coat of primer has been put on the rocket kit here, and now that it's all one uniform color, you can actually see the blemishes a little bit better. But mine actually looks pretty good. I've got some small divots here on the wing, which I'll probably have to go and put some more spot putty on, fill them, and then prime one more time to seal them down and, to make everything nice and smooth. I've taken some photographs and I'll show those here. I've got a little bit, it kind of looks like it's a little bit of crazing of the paint right here. And I'm not sure if that's actually crazing or if it was from the previous paint. But that has to be sanded down and reprimed. I worked a lot on this little strake right here and this leading edge, and they look pretty good. It's the other side that's not as good, so if you do a comparison of this side here, this is nice and sharp. This edge, or this one here, is kind of rounded over. And it's totally up to you to decide how much quality, how much craftsmanship you want to put into it, what you want your rocket to turn out as. At this point, I'm probably going to leave that, but I'll sand everything else down, make everything else look good. Everything is looking pretty good at this point, and now it's almost like we're finishing the model from scratch, like it never was damaged in the first place. So we're in pretty good shape. So I got some more sanding to do, one more coat of primer before I actually start painting. We've now got the rocket fully primed and it has been wet sanded with 400 grit sandpaper. I am happy with all the edges that had concerned me. I did fill that low area here. I found another area right along the fin root here that needed to be filled a little bit. This area right here was where the crazing was with the green paint. The last time, you remember, there was some white paint that was showing through that was crazing here. That has now been covered and sealed. So right now it's time to decide what color is going to come next on this rocket. It has a silver fuselage right here and white fins, except for this top fin here is all green. On the wings here, the bottom or the top side, the bottom side is green, and then there's kind of a lightning bolt green pattern here. So I've got to decide, am I going to do silver first or the white first? I think I'm going to do the silver first. So I'll paint the tube silver. I don't have to really worry about the wings. They'll be painted white and green. And then the back here is also silver. So I'll probably get some overspray, but I'm not going to mask anything for the silver. I'll just paint it, let it dry, and then mask off for the white paint. The tricky white paint is going to be here, this line. Remember, the first time we had this rocket, the line was crooked. Can't remember which direction it went, but it wasn't a straight line all around. So I think I'll show you how to go about and mark that so you can mask that off, and so that it's painted properly and everything is nice and straight. Okay, so the next time you see this, I'll have the tube painted silver, and then we'll do the white. We'll start masking off for the white.